Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tac Bits, otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dwelling, ghost busting AI using individual. And today we are going to be checking out Fish AI. This is a voice program released maybe like 4 months ago. I have many a system, but today we are trying this out on my Gen system, named after my ex-wife who later came down with breast cancer. I got this in order to put it on World Community Grid. But while I'm not rocking World Community Grid, I'm using AI. Fish speech, this has a... I'll tell you more about the computer later. Let's just take a look at the program here. As you can see here, I have it in Pinocchio. There is a way to make it pop out. There's different versions of this. I'm sure I'll find out more later. There doesn't seem to be many videos on this, so I just want to pop one out. Anyways, very topical. You type in your information here, real time out here. Your response gets put out here. Actually, what you put here gets put out there. And it's just lovely. It sounds freaking top shelf. It sounds great. And over here we get options. Right now the option that I'm looking for is how to make it a particular voice. You have options for creating reference audio, and when I put things in, it seems to create a random voice, but you know what? I bet it's right in front of me. Maybe someone's going to tell me exactly what it is, but I can't see what it is. Let me give you some outputs that I've made. Okay, I'm just going to give you the output. Listen up.
One time I kicked myself in the face. It hurt. I mean, it hurt a lot.
A lot.
A lot. It hurt more than that time.
I fell directly onto my face.
This situation may have been unfortunate, but not as unfortunate as the time. My mom told me she thought I needed to try French ketchup. Heinz was always the best ketchup, and no one ever thought different. I strongly believe that this means my mother no longer loves me anymore. Maybe she will let me go to the fisherman's ball with that nice doctor from the wrecking yard. He manages to find the nicest solar panels in these car batteries that still seem to have a lot of life left in them. He says there is metal plates and acid inside these, but I know he is just acting like he knows what is going on. I know that in reality, there is magic blue.
Smoke.
If there were acid in these batteries, him and his buddies would not be giving them away for free. They would be handing it out to homeless people in hopes of making the universe a better place by reducing human suffering. One time they tried to reduce human suffering by releasing a whole bunch of bees at an inner city school and then at a mega church, because these individuals seriously hated church and learning.
Okay, one thing you're going to notice about that playback is that it had man and woman voices in it, and it switched it up. That's the first time it did that. This is probably the seventh round I've put with the same BS going through it. Maybe what I asked it to say was just so crazy it destroyed its mind. Maybe it's just been here with me so much its mind is being destroyed, but yeah. Now, when I do it now and put an output, it gives me a different voice every time.
A lot. It hurt more than that time. I fell directly onto my face.
And his buddies would not be giving them away for free. They would be handing it out to homeless people in hopes of making the universe.
One time I kicked myself in the face.
One time I kicked myself in the face.
One time I kicked myself in the face.
You guys might want to check this shit out. It is pretty cool. Take a look. Check it out. Fishy.